Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to design an eye-catching Facebook ad post for your real estate business using Canva, you are in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a professional-looking Facebook ad that's sure to grab attention and attract clients, even if you've never used Canva before. Let's jump right in and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Canva. If you haven't already, log into your account or sign up. It's free and super quick. Once you're in, look for the Create a Design button. You'll usually find this right at the top of the homepage. Give it a click, and in the search bar that appears, type Facebook ad. This is the fastest way to make sure you're working with the perfect size and format for Facebook's requirements. No need to worry about dimensions or graphic ratios getting in the way of your creativity. Once you search for Facebook ad, you'll see a whole collection of pre-made templates pop up. Canva's templates can save you a ton of time, and since today's focus is on how to make the design process easy and effective, we'll pick a ready-made template for our ad. Take a moment to scroll through the options. Canva offers a wide variety specifically tailored to real estate. Think bold images, modern fonts, and layouts designed to stop the scroll. If you find one that fits your brand's vibe or the message you want to send, go ahead and click it. If you spot a design you like but the colors or text aren't quite right, don't worry, you can tweak just about everything. Now let's talk about customization. This is where you get to make the template your own. Click on any part of the design, text boxes, images, buttons, and you'll see editing options pop up. For example, you can replace the placeholder image with a striking photo of one of your properties. Just drag and drop your photo into the frame. Doing this not only adds authenticity but also helps your audience instantly connect with what you're offering. Next, focus on your headline. Think about what's most important for your buyers or sellers to know. Is it a special promotion, a new listing, or maybe a unique selling point about the property? Update the headline text so it's clear and engaging. Don't forget to double-check for typos. Those little details really matter. You can also change the colors to match your brand. Just click on the elements you want to adjust and pick your preferred shades. If your real estate business uses specific colors, maybe a certain blue or a crisp white, making these changes helps your ad look polished and consistent. Remember, you're aiming for an ad that someone will spot in their feed and instantly trust. As you refine your design, feel free to add or remove elements. Maybe you want to insert your logo, social media handles, or even a call to action like book a tour today. Don't be afraid to experiment a little. Canva makes it easy to undo changes, so try different combinations until you're happy with how it looks. Once you're satisfied, hit the download button at the top right. Save your ad in the recommended format, usually PNG or JPEG for Facebook, and you're ready to upload it directly to your Facebook business page. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped you design your next real estate Facebook ad in Canva, give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I love hearing your questions and seeing what you create. And if you want more easy-to-follow tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. See you in the next video.